happy wedding. Gue berharap Muri sama Nurin itu bersama terus, bahagia terus. All in all, I'm very happy for you. I'm wishing you eternal happiness. Pesan buat Murija, tolong jaga Nurin. Nurin udah bucin banget.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Nurin Fajar Yusfia binti Muhammad Yusuf Taib dengan mas kawin yang tersebut dibayar tunai.
Perfect time to say I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I do. This is why I love you. Because you love me. That's why I love you.